start the fan stitch, you start with the length of chains using a multiple of 8 plus 2. I'm starting with a chain of 26. For row 1, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, single crochet in that chain. Skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to work your first fan stitch in the next stitch, and it's 5 double crochets with a chain 1 in between each one. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in the same space, chain 1, another double crochet in the same space, chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, and then the 5th double crochet in that same space. And that is your first fan stitch. You skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and work another fan stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, and one more double crochet in that same stitch. We skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make a single crochet. Skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and make another fan stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, third double crochet, chain 1, fourth double crochet, chain 1, and then your 5th double crochet, all in the same space. Skip 3 and put a single crochet in your last stitch. And that's the first row of the fan stitch. To start the second row, you're going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you're going to turn your work. And this chain counts as your first double crochet and your chain 3. And you're going to single crochet into the 3rd double crochet of the previous row. So 1, 2, 3. It's the one in the middle of your fan stitch, and a single crochet. And you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're going to double crochet into the single crochet of the previous row. chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the third double crochet of the fan stitch. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to double crochet into the single crochet of the previous row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet into the top of the third double crochet of your fan stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to double crochet in the first single crochet that was made. That's row 2. To start the third row, chain 1, turn your work. You're going to work a single crochet in that first stitch. You're going to skip the chain 3 space, and you're going to work a fan in the single crochet. So double crochet, chain 1, second double crochet, chain 1, third double crochet, chain 1, fourth double crochet, chain 1, and then the fifth double crochet. You're going to skip the chain 3 space and work a single crochet into the top of the double crochet from the previous row. Skip the chain 3 and work a fan stitch in the single crochet of the previous row. And the fifth double crochet. Skip the chain 3, work a single crochet on top of the double crochet. Skip the chain 3 and work a shell into the single crochet, or a fan, I'm sorry. One double crochet, chain 1, second double, chain 1, third double, chain 1, fourth double, chain 1, and the fifth double. And then your last stitch of the row is going to be a single crochet in the third chain from the chain 6 of the previous row. So you just count up 1, 2, 3, and that's where you put the last stitch, the single crochet. That's how you do the fan stitch, and you just keep repeating rows 2 and 3 and make it as long as you want.